I'm always so surprised when women tell me they don't use a moisturizer or a cream because there are so many benefits you get from it. One that I like is this Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream Enriched. It's from Shiseido's best-selling Benefiance skincare line, and it's been reformulated with some of the latest skincare innovations from Japan. Now you can find a KOMBU-Bounce Complex in here with 3 types of algae. There's red, green, and brown. And if you didn't know, they're rare forms of Japanese algae, and they're known to be resilient, so your skin gets those benefits too. It's made for normal to dry skin types, and it's a great last step in your skincare routine because when you replenish moisture in your skin with a cream like this one, it helps to rebuild the strength of your skin and it gives you a more youthful looking complexion. I like that it feels like a veil of moisture over my skin. You'll immediately notice that it treats your wrinkles and gives you a plumper, more youthful appearance after just 2 weeks of use. And because it really hydrates my skin, I notice those effects immediately. Even my deeper wrinkles look a lot smoother. I love the rich, creamy texture, and when I apply it to my skin, I notice it absorbs quickly and makes my skin look smooth and super glowy. I like to use it at night, but you can use it morning and night. Really, anytime your skin just needs hydration. I just pat it onto my skin and bring it down to my neck. So if you're dealing with wrinkles or any signs of aging, Shiseido Benefiance Wrinkle Smoothing Cream Enriched is the product you need.